my attention span during lectures was probably 5 to 10 minutes, maybe even less. I even got a paper from a medical professional stating that my attention span was so bad that I didn't need to study mathematics in high school. 5 years ago, I started meditating. I could not hold my monkey brain from spamming me with thoughts for more than 0 seconds for a long time. And here I am now. I can do about 1 to 2 minutes of clean thoughts sometimes. Yo, that's nothing. Like, what? You're not thinking for 1 minute? That's not a big deal. Let me tell you something. I recently went back to university to continue and do my master's degrees. And I went back to the lectures, and all the kids there I saw were having the same issues I was having. I literally saw them lose attention, lose focus during the second half of the lecture. It felt so weird to see that these guys have the same problem as me, except my attention span was like 5 minutes and theirs is probably like 20. Yeah, so how I fix this is with meditation. So how do you meditate? Forget about sitting down in a specific way. Forget about all of that bullshit. You just have to sit down or lay down relaxed and completely relax your body. I like to sit down on a sofa or on a canopy and have my hands like this or like this. I prefer this one a little bit more. Very important, this one, because this is how I measure my performance while meditating. So I'm like this, sitting on a sofa, chilling, focusing on my breath. And I'm focusing. Let's say I start thinking about football, like Lionel Messi, for example. Okay, like I'm thinking about, okay, that guy's pretty good. And then, oops, I'm thinking about something, right? I'm not supposed to do that. This is meditation. So I remove one finger from this kind of formation, right? And the other one just relaxes, whatever. So I'm like that and keep doing this. Remove all the fingers. Once you're done, look at the stopwatch and write it down in your habit tracker. How much time has elapsed until you noticed that your mind wandered 10 times? So initially this number is gonna be either very high, you'll be thinking about like monkey brain stuff for minutes, or you are decent at noticing, which you won't be at the start, let's face it. And it will take you like 2, 3, 4 minutes maybe to go through 10 reps. This is 10 reps of meditation. And you just note, okay, it took 4 minutes. So at the start, it might seem like you're not progressing, but if the time is going down, it might not be because you're getting worse. It might be because you are faster noticing that your mind has wandered. So that's a good thing. You have to track your meditation because it's an extremely hard habit to keep. So I had trouble with consistency at the start as well. The way you can fix that, is by using a habit tracker. And this only impacts your life insanely if you are doing it almost every day, basically every day. So keep a habit tracker. If you need help with that, check out my discipline video as well. It's on my channel. It will be in the description and in the comments as well. When I used to go to a lot of parties and I was socializing a lot, I did a 20-minute gratefulness meditation before going out. And it didn't just help me with my concentration, it also helped me a lot with my mood and my self-acceptance. It really helped me. I'll link it in the description. Before I started meditation, I couldn't tell what I ate the day before. And eventually, with practice, and although I was inconsistent, I was very inconsistent with meditation. But I kept going. Every time I realized that I haven't meditated for like a week, I kept going. You will see the difference immediately, like the same day, same hour, same minute. When you meditate, you'll have better focus, you'll be more aware of your breath, you'll be just in general more mindful of your environment, of the people that are talking to you. Like imagine people like family members, friends are talking to you and you're just not listening, bro. Like, no one's listening. Of course, people are selfish, but that's not the main reason why they're not listening to you properly. The main reason is they cannot. So if you practice meditation, you can finally listen to the people that are talking to you. Isn't that fucking weird, me saying that? And it's true. When I don't meditate, when I skip 2 or 3 or 4 days, I feel like my mind is completely entangled. I cannot completely focus my attention to one person. So you have to meditate. It's as basic as going to the gym and staying in shape. If you don't meditate, you're basically a fat guy inside of your head. You're just really out of shape in your mind. If you have a clean mind, you will be able to see all the dog shit in your life. You will be able to self-analyze your day better. So thank you very much for sticking with me through the end. Please give me your feedback on how your meditation went, and I'll see you in the next one.